Hi, everybody. Major changes in the forecast this week. I mean, it's going to be one of those weeks where you get weather whiplash. We've got some showers over the western range. Here's Jackson Hole. You can see some of those showers moving through the area. We have a little bit of moisture aloft, and that's being carried by these upper level winds coming in out of the southwest. So you can kind of see that wedge right here of moisture. But as that moves on by, we actually have some drier air. At the upper level, we also have a ridge over us. So this ridge kind of builds in just slightly for the day Monday. One more day of the heat. Then this trough up here in the northwest begins to swing in. As that trough swings in, our temperatures slowly begin to cool down. It's going to be slow. This trough will set up and slowly move to the east throughout the weekend and even into early next week. That's going to result, again, in a pretty steady decline in temperatures and bring in unsettled weather underneath that trough. So as it moves through, look for some scattered showers, some thunderstorms early on, especially Tuesday night to Wednesday. Could have some snow up in Yellowstone region and maybe up through the Bighorn Mountains, the Beartooth. And this, again, swinging on by. We're out ahead of it. Monday, we actually have that moisture aloft starting to scour out. So fewer clouds, record highs are possible is the bottom line here Monday. And we'll have some breezy winds out of the south, gusting near 40 miles per hour, maybe 45 at Muddy Gap. Again, a chance for a few showers and storms. Could have some gusty winds and hail out of a few. This is on our Monday, staying dry. But on Tuesday, as that front starts to approach, Tuesday night could have some snow up in the higher elevations. And also some scattered showers and storms will become a little more likely later on in the evening, Tuesday and into Wednesday morning. So rainfall amounts right now, we're kind of underneath a quarter of an inch, about a half an inch. So the moisture is kind of getting locked up a little bit more to the north. But there will be chances from time to time, especially as that temperatures start to cool down. We might also have some high wind warnings as the surface low moves through, winds increasing out of the west. And that westerly flow is also going to push some more moisture off the Pacific. And we'll have little small embedded disturbances, if you will, within that. And each one of those can trigger off some showers. So the bottom line is windy conditions are possible at times. We'll have some scattered showers and isolated storms at times. And by early next week, we continue to cool down. And this is sort of the last hurrah of this trough. By Monday, Tuesday of next week, and I know it's a long ways out there, but some of the long-range models indicate we might even have a little snow mixing in. It'd be really short-lived as warmth does finally move back at us, but it will take about 10 days.